Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Kendrick. Kendrick writes from Cuyahoga Falls, Ohio. And Kendrick writes, Gerald, I just got started investing in real estate. People say the Fed is going to raise interest rates. Is that going to happen? And if it does, should I be worried? Well, Kendrick, I'm always reluctant to make predictions. And unlike most of the pundits that you see on TV, I unfortunately can't predict the future. But all indications seem to point to an interest rate increase, and Janet Yellen has intimated that that's likely to happen. But I think the bigger issue for you as a new investor is to focus on the areas of your business that you have control over, as opposed to the things that you don't have control over. And interest rates fall into that category of things that you don't control. So I'm going to give you 7 things in real estate that you don't have control over. The first is interest rates. Now you have a little bit of control over the interest rate that you pay when you borrow money, to the extent that it's affected by your credit rating. But prime rate, which underpins most loans, is something clearly that you don't have control over. So interest rates is the first thing you don't have control over in real estate. The second thing are taxes. Property taxes, income taxes, can't control that. The third is the cost of insurance. The fourth is price, when you're selling and when you're renting, because ultimately the person with the money decides the price. So when you sell a home, buyer decides the price. When you rent, the tenant decides the price. They have the money, they decide. So price is the fourth thing. The fifth thing is the cost of building material. 6 is the cost of land. And lastly, inflation. So it's okay to monitor taxes and interest rates and other things that you don't control. You should do that. But to be successful in real estate, you're going to need to focus on the areas that you control, as opposed to fretting about the things that you don't. So, thanks for your question, Kendra. Good luck. For more real estate information and tips, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.